Hey, this is Wayne Foreman with CDF Distributors. Today I want to show you how to measure for the right frame to put in your wall. Today we have a metal stud and we got sheetrock. So it's very important to make sure that you know how thick your metal stud is. So this right here is a 2x4 metal stud. Doesn't mean it's actually 2x4. The same thing with wood. It's going to be 1.5 by 3.5. Then it's also important to look at your sheetrock. Sheetrock, sometimes they'll install 1/2 inch sheetrock, and sometimes they'll install 5/8 sheetrock. Doesn't seem like much, but when you put them both together, that's an extra 1/4 inch, and it's going to really make a difference when you choose the correct frame to put around. If you choose too big of a frame, it's going to have too much mess in it. If you choose too small of a frame, of course, it won't slide around. So we have 5/8 sheetrock on each side, and then we have a 3.5 inch metal stud. So if you look at it and you measure it from sheetrock, outside of sheetrock to outside of sheetrock, you have 4 7/8. Then we come over and I've got the frame that's going to fit it right, because you want to make sure that your throat size will match the outside of the wall size. So your wall size, wall thickness, and your throat size should match. So my throat size from inside to inside is 4 7/8. My outside of wall, when you measure it, is 4 7/8. What that's going to do is going to give you a really tight fit to put the frame on around the wall, and that'll give you a much better install. Thank you.